Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review NVC Glueless Wig, human hair pre-plugged. You can say this is a wig, and in this video we will review this product. You should purchase or not, and what are the problems. Okay, so my dear friends, this is a very good product, and as you can see the price is also on an average, and you can get this wig in a very low budget. Like if you are using this 26-inch, the price is only $89, and if you are going to use like 30-inch wig, then the price is also very low. So you can choose any options, whatever you want, but the ratings of the product is also too good, and there is no problem with this wig. And if you are going to use this product and you want to return your product, then you can also return your product, because they have like 7 days return policy on this product. So there is no problem with this wig. You can use and you can try it, and if you are not satisfying, then you can also return your product. But in the terms of refund and return, the Amazon, you can see, you very well know, the Amazon is very good. So you don't need to be very worry about these things. Okay, so you can purchase and you can get good result. Okay, so this is a review of NVC Glueless Wig. If you're facing an issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye friends, thank you.